So hello friends, myself Hum and you are watching the YouTube channel Technicalum. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi 9 Power.
If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos.
The specifications of Redmi 9 Power are Snapdragon 662, 6.53 inches, Full HD Plus display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi 9 Power. There are 4 color variants of Redmi 9 Power: black color, blue color, green color and red color. There are 2 storage variants of Redmi 9 Power: 4GB plus 64GB and 4GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Redmi 9 Power. This is the back side of Redmi 9 Power. The launch date of Redmi 9 Power will be on 15 December 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi 9 Power should be below 11,000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.